Alex and Goose here with Couch Ninja Warriors. Today we're going to start a series, guns under $200. Today we're doing shotguns. We're going to go show you a few and see what you can get for under 200 bucks. You ready, Goose?
Yep, let's do this.
Yeah. All right. These are the shotguns that we have that we bought under $200. Which one are you going to take first, Goose?
I'm going to take this here.
Maverick 88.
Maverick in honor of Maverick.
Oh, yeah. It's a pump action 12 gauge, 5 rounds in the tube. You have 3 loaded, right?
Yes.
All right. You got extra ammo?
Right here.
Good to go. All right, let's take it to the range.
Okay.
This is our range. Goose is gonna be starting from the chair. He's gonna run over to the table and shoot at those 3 balloons. You ready, Goose? Start at the table or the chair.
Going hot. Will work if it's not on safe.
Yeah. Kill. Oh my God. Kill. You missed. Oh, you suck. Reload. Reload. Reload.
Reloading. It hurts.
Reload.
It hurts.
It might help if you aimed.
This hurts my hands.
Oh God, that was funny. Whoa! Hey, kill those balloons first.
What?
Oh my God.
This hurts.
There you go. Oh my God.
Reloading.
You know, if you hit the target, you could shoot it less.
Huh?
If you hit the targets, you could shoot it less.
Really? I didn't know that.
Pull it forward. Push your pump forward. There you go. Yeah! Move! Go, go, go! Are you reloading, Goose?
Yes.
You out of ammo yet?
Almost 3 rounds.
Okay, you got 3 shots left. How about we make them count?
Oh, this hurts.
Okay, don't miss. Yeah, 2 more. Oh, you suck. Oh, you suck so bad. All right. I think we'll stop. So, Goose, what do you think of the Maverick 88?
It hurts.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're having a lot of failures there, it seemed like. Huh. Looks like there's a lot of failure to fires.
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on with that.
It's just a crap.
Here we go. That's weird. Doesn't seem like the firing pin hit it.
It's like every other shot.
Yeah.
This one hurts.
All right. I'll run it and see if it works better for me.
It probably will.
Probably. You ready? Am I ready? Are you ready?
Yep.
Moving.
It's harder than it looks, huh? Huh?
Doesn't recoil nearly as much as you said it did, though. Maybe it's because I'm wearing the glove.
I don't think that helped.
Or maybe it's because I didn't shoot like 50 rounds. Okay.
How did you think of it?
How did I think of it? Or what did I think of it?
What did you think of it?
That's all right. It's kind of fun. Kind of hard to aim, obviously. Since I only got 3 out of 6. But
Yeah.
whatever. It's okay.
I got what? 4 out of 6?
Yeah, but you also shot like 50 rounds.
That's
so
not the point. Okay.
that's all right. It's cool. Next one.
What, we giving the Maverick, what, 3 stars out of 5?
3 out of 5.
3 out of 5?
We're gonna do a 5 scale.
I
guess
don't know.
That works. I don't know yet.
You don't know
Let's do it
yet?
after we shoot all of them.
Okay. 870
Oh yeah.
Remington.
Ready? Ready to rock it? Get to the chair! 1! Oh yeah. Oh, so close. Run! That's not running. Move your butt. Oh yeah, reload it. Oh yeah. It wants that love juice. Let's go. Okay, we're like 5 feet away. You got this. Yeah. Oh, it's so satisfying. Oh yeah. Good to go. How's that one running?
A lot easier.
Yeah.
As you could tell. A lot easier.
Yeah. Only one remained. That purple one's been there like this entire time.
Yeah.
All right. Good job. Whoa.
I found I didn't feel it if I put it on the plate carrier itself. Okay, we're live.
We're live.
We are live.
You sure?
Look at him.
Huh?
McDonald's eater. Burger
Don't
King
whisper to my
lover.
audience.
Huh?
Don't whisper to the audience.
I'm not.
Sounds like you are.
I'm doing a nature documentary.
You're not Mr. Hardy.
I'm the zoologist in the group.
I guess that's true.
Go to the chair! Go to the chair! Go! Look how ferocious he is hunting this McDonald's.
Lost shit.
The Big Mac. The Big Mac awaits. Oh, mighty hunter. Woo!
Oh yeah.
So how was that one? Just flag yourself.
What's that?
Just flag yourself.
Oh, that was way easier.
Yes, I indeed agree.
I think that Maverick is like limited to like 5 feet. I like this one.
Okay.
What are we gonna shoot next?
Let's do. Huh?
The 500.
Yeah.
Rattle can custom. Oh yeah. Hey, bought it for 150 bucks, so I'm not complaining.
Clear.
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 Ugh. Oh yeah. Look at that. That long barrel should make it pretty easy.
Yeah. You would think.
I guess we'll find out. It's got like a high vis sight or whatever.
First thing looking.
Yeah, nice bright orange neon sight. Should be pretty easy. You got this, Goose.
500.
Yeah.
Shotgun used by the U.S. military.
All branches?
I believe so.
Yeah. All right.
Except for like the SO, I don't think they use these. But
Yeah. Maybe they use something special.
I think they have
'Cause
it
they
all
are
high-speed
special.
crap.
All right.
Okay.
Kill it. Yes. Yeah. Oh God. Run. Run. Got his shoes untied.
Mine or yours?
Yours. You have two shoes.
You do?
Well,
Woohoo!
how you like that one?
I love it.
Yeah. You left a couple balloons up there.
I did with Speed Blazer.
Yeah.
I think I was shooting a little left,
Yeah.
a little right.
You like that one?
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah.
I think I prefer the 870 though.
All
A
right.
little less kick.
Yeah. That one's a little. That one's a lot lighter though.
Yeah. But overall,
I mean, even with the longer barrel.
yeah, overall,
Yeah.
nice ride.
Cool.
Okay.
All right. That little beep means it's recording.
Okay. What are we hunting today?
Currently McDonald's.
I love it.
Obviously, I hunt pizza.
Why do you hunt pizza? What did pizza do to you? He really wants that pizza.
Woo! This one does have a little more kick. But I love it. It's pretty good. It's like you could shoot it one-handed, but it's not a one-handed shotgun.
What's a one-handed shotgun,
I
Alex?
don't have it anymore.
You
It's
don't?
pretty good. Not bad for a rattle can special.
Yeah?
Love it. All right. All right. I'm moving on to some break actions. This one's some weird Japanese import that I don't even remember the name. So, but I think I spent less than $100 on that one. So,
It's a one-handed shotgun.
yep. Good shot, Jackson. Reload. Some slow go in here. Oh yeah. Good. Yeah, you shot over the entire thing. Might help if you aim. This isn't Call of Duty.
Are you sure?
Pretty sure. Holy shit! Aim! Oh my god. Oh, my flashlight came off. Why'd you take my flashlight off?
Coming off.
That's okay. I just kind of jerry-rigged it to it anyways. Oh, take your time. Oh my god. What a waste of ammo.
Taxpayer dollars.
Huh?
Taxpayer dollars, right?
I don't think so.
My bad.
Well, I guess I am a taxpayer, so.
Too low.
So, remind me not to give you a break action shotgun if we need to bug out to anywhere or something. What are you doing? There you go. Oh my gosh. Okay, we got two. So, what do you think? Yeah, think it's your new go to war gun? Nah, probably.
My
just for fun.
My first find that I've praised me again.
All right. Is that thing on?
Yes.
Pants falling down.
Reloading. He's not tied with me. He sucks at one.
Moving!
Two for one. I'm zooming in.
Awesome. Totally take this for more. Not. That's pretty fun.
Okay.
Got the blinking gun.
Huh?
I sense you're losing some energy.
Energy?
Yeah. You're pretty charismatic when you started out.
Handbrake.
Want to shoot the pink shotgun?
I figured we'd save that one for last.
We should save the pink one for last. All right, let's do the tiny one.
Oh, you gotta go blow up balloons though.
Yep. What is this? This is a little 20 gauge H&R snake tamer. Oh yeah. Look at that.
20 gauge?
Yeah, dude. There's a box out there.
Okay.
This thing's adorable. Look at it. It's tiny. Shooting a lot of tiny shotguns today. Oh. All right, Goose. This one has a sight so you can aim. Oh, hang on. You got a truck coming. Yeah! Reloading! Load faster! Faster! Come on, you're getting shot at. Pew, pew, pew! Pew, pew! Yeah! Alright, I think the 20 gauge is your niche. Maybe that's what we gotta do. We gotta downsize you from a 12 to a 20. Oh, I spoke too soon. That was way low. What are you doing?
Oh no!
Move! Faster!
Reload!
Waddle! Take a knee, use cover. That's not, no. What are you doing? Oh yeah, good job. Pull it out, pull it out. Failure to eject. Come on! Come on, this has already been recording for like 3 minutes. Oh yeah, good job. Nice solid hit. Oh yeah. Oh, look at you go. Oh, I have the weirdest boner right now. Oh, low. All right, well, we can't all be great. Oh, nice. I'll take a picture of that. What do you think? That your new go-to-war rifle or shotgun? Yeah. Well, I think you did better than that with most of the guns. That's cute. What do you think?
Burley.
Huh?
It's Burley.
It's burly.
Whose army is that?
Huh?
Whose army is that?
Whose army is this?
Yeah.
Nobody's. I don't
Nobody's?
think.
Just
I think
made up.
it's just some random
Canyon Forest?
urban ghetto.
Huh? Okay, go! Run! Run, you punk! I'm an awesome drill instructor, aren't I?
Reloading.
He hit one. Not surprising. You hit 2. Not surprising.
don't think the ejector very far. What else to show?
You hit 3. Not surprising. Move! What are you doing, you? Sometime today, you.
Oh yeah.
Woohoo! Didn't really look like much. It just looked like a little poof, a little poof. Today, Junior.
It's pretty good. All right.
All right.
I'll probably throw that in the backpack.
I
Going
wouldn't.
out somewhere. No.
You gotta take the pink one.
Oh yeah, we gotta do the pink one.
So that way they see you when you're shooting.
Yeah.
Getting kind of dark out. We might need the flashlight.
All right. This is also a 20 gauge H&R Partner. Get that? Oh yeah. Focusing.
Uh-huh.
Focusing on the shotgun.
Yeah.
Looks good, huh?
Sure.
You think of this rattle can paint job? It's pretty badass. Right, the peak H&R Partner. You got this, Goose. I believe in you. Yeah! All right. You're deadly with the 20 gauge. Push the button. There you go. Woo! Oh, I got like a wave of smoke. That's good. I'm awake now. Yeah! A 20 gauge. I think that's the key to your success. I should get you a 20 gauge pump. I should have brought Megan's out. A little pink 500. Nice. Run! Run! Come on, last gun! Let's go! Kill him! Yes! Oh, yes! Come on! Give me some more! I need those balloons! I need them now! Oh, yeah! Oh, I'm so happy for you! Oh, you're the best! You're the best goose I ever saw! Yes! All 6! You did it! With the pink freaking shotgun. All right. Yes! I love it. What do you think? I think that should be the one you take home.
Yeah? I think so too.
Ah,
Screw Megan. Taking this home.
all right. Good job, Goose.
Ted Cruz moment.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ted Cruz.
Nice. The pink partner. Reloading. Reloading. Moving. Reloading. 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 Never mind, I'm out. Woo! Good to go. Ted Cruz would be proud. I got cold. So, this pretty much concludes our shotguns under $200. What do you think? Let's see. Let's start with the Maverick. How many out of 5?
1.
1 out of 5?
Barely a 1.
Barely a 1. All right.
Barely a 1.
All right. What about the H&R Snake Tamer?
That was a nice little fun gun to shoot.
Yeah.
Didn't really hurt too bad.
Yeah, that was pretty fun.
Like a good blinking gun.
Yeah. Maybe something you could throw in a truck and keep it in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think? Out of 5?
3.
3?
I wouldn't use it for really self-defense.
Yeah.
It's just a single shot. But,
Yeah, pretty much.
But, you know.
Yeah, single shot 20 gauge isn't a whole lot of firepower. All right, what about the Mossberg 500?
Pretty light, but with the lightness, it has quite a bit of kick compared to the 700 or 870.
Yeah.
But it was nice.
Yeah.
Nice, long enough barrel to where you were able to point it and where to go.
I'd probably get it 4 out of 5. The only thing I don't like about the 500 is how much this wobbles the forearm.
Yeah.
It seems to wobble a lot more than like the 870. That's pretty much the only thing I don't like about it, and the kick is a little bit more, being that it's so light. But yeah, 4 out of 5. It's a good shotgun. All right, this little Japanese 12 gauge. What do you think about that?
I guess it could be a nice little, truck gun or whatnot. But other than that, it's really not.
Yeah.
Great up.
Yeah, that little lever. I hate that. I hate how that opens. It makes it pretty difficult. I'll probably give it like 2 out of 5.
Yeah.
Like, it's kind of fun to play with a little bit, but not a whole lot. All right, and the pink H&R Partner.
It was a fun gun. It was the first gun I got all 6 balloons with.
Yeah.
I enjoyed it.
This one should be your 5-star right here.
Yeah, I'd give it about 5.
You give it 5 stars?
Yeah.
All right. Sweet. You like the Partner? How about the 870?
870 was a nice, fun gun. I'd give it about 5 out of 5.
5 out of 5.
Heavy, but that heaviness, equals up to be, less recoil in the end.
Yeah. That 870, I guess it's the perfect shotgun, and the Partner. Mossberg 500 is not a bad choice either. I mean, you can find one that's not a rattle can special and be pretty happy with it, I'm sure. But that Maverick, unless we got to find out what was going on with those failure fires. I mean, it's more of a novelty piece than an actual self-protection piece, I think.
I think I would honestly switch out the pistol grip and put an actual.
Yeah, if we threw an actual stock on there, then it'd be more fun. And maybe, I don't know. I'm gonna have to test that some more and see if the failure fires keep happening. Because if it does, then it's useless at 0 stars.
Something that hurt.
All right.
Okay.
So, I guess we're done. All right. Have a good day. Say hi to all the single ladies. Oh, you're not single though, huh? You can't say that. Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like goose?